Comet Browser is an AI native web browser developed by Perplexity, and it uses built-in AI assistants to automate tasks, summarize information, and manage tabs. This tutorial will guide you through the initial setup and core features for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Comet Browser. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to visit the official Comet website to download the installer for our operating system. You can find a link to Perplexity in the description below, and once we're on the home page, this is what it should look like. We're going to go to download Comet. Now it started downloading automatically, and it's been able to pick up our operating system. And once it's done downloading, we're going to click on this arrow. It's gonna open this dialog box, and we're gonna move Comet into our applications folder. Now we're gonna close this up, and we're gonna go to the top. We're gonna search for Comet. Gonna open it up. We're gonna open started. We're gonna do this later. We're gonna set this as browse media. We're gonna put dark version. We're gonna click on continue. We're gonna start connect. We're going to use Comet, and we're going to open it up. The AI assistant is Comet's main feature, and it's accessible via this button here. Now you can ask it any question just like you query any AI. And you can ask it to perform some tasks. We can also type natural language questions or commands directly into the search bar instead of just URLs. Now the AI will provide an answer with sources just like a conversation. So once we put in a question like this, you can press enter, and it's going to load up the UI just like a conversation. Now Comet can also perform actions on your behalf without permission, and it can act like a personal agent with agentic capabilities. So what you can do is you can go to the assistant, and you can type in a question like find a hotel in Vienna that costs between $10 to $5. You can press enter, and it's going to take that command, and it's going to go into its agentic capabilities, and it's going to find you an hotel that costs between $5 to $10 in my case. Now we can take it further by telling it to book the hotel. So it says we need to log in to unlock the capabilities. So I'm gonna need to fully log in to allow it to book the hotel for me. Now for hands-free operation, you can also use voice command by pressing this button, and you're gonna allow, and you're gonna say anything you type is gonna come to the top. So all of your commands is gonna come here. Now let's stop it, let's clear it, and let's give it a command to open new tab. Open new tab. Says a new browser tab has been opened for you. And this is how to use the Comet browser. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.